How to delete a project in Base44. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a project in Base44. So to get started, go ahead and open Base44 on your preferred browser, sign in to your account, and once signed in, click on this apps button at the top left of your screen at the right side of Base44. And that will take you into the apps section. In here, go ahead and open the application that you want to delete. So go ahead and click on dashboard from here. So you'll find that at the left side of the preview tab, which you'll find at the middle of your screen, at the top middle of your screen. So you need to basically click on dashboard from here, click on settings under it, and then click on app settings under that. And then scroll down at the very bottom of app settings and you'll be able to find this delete application button. So once you click on this, you'll need to confirm the action of deleting this application or project for your Base44 account. And then once you confirm this, you'll be able to successfully delete your project on Base44. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.